attention. Hold your hands together for prayer. Let us pray. Teachers, parents, and children, we are indeed very happy this morning to come back to St. Joseph's School to receive the result of our performance for this year. We began the classes on 1st February 2021. You came to the school regularly for the past 154 days. You studied, you performed well, and you have come to get the result of your performance. So in the first place, I want to thank the teachers led by Sir Joachim Kujur, the head teacher, who took an active role and who played an active role and took a serious responsibility of leading you and guiding you. I also want to thank all the teachers, especially the class teachers, who were with you and who accompanied you in your faith journey as well as in your studies, both your intellectual formation, physical formation, and the spiritual formation. To the school so that you will have a better future. They send you to the school because they love you. They want to see their sons and daughters coming up as responsible boys and girls. I thank the parents who are present here and others who could not be present here, because many of our parents are working. Early morning they go to the field to cultivate and to earn little money so that they can send you to a good institution like this school. We will have the sale of books and readmission on 24th January 2022. And the school will be reopened for the next academic year on 31st January. That is on Monday, 31st January 2022. We will reopen the school. Before the school is reopened, make sure that you ask your parents to take admission and come to St. Joseph's School. Another good news is that for the next academic year, we will be upgrading the school from class 6 to 7. Class 6 to 7. This year, we had 22 students studying in class 6. Construction of our school, the new school building, soon. The workers started coming to see that we have a proper building. By the end of next academic year, if everything goes well, we will have a new school building. Please pray that everything may come to its completion and to its success. God listens to the prayers of little children. Therefore, I request the teachers as well as the students to pray that we may have a better school with better facilities for the future of all of you and future of our students and our friends. Next year, when you come to the school, please tell your friends, those who are studying, those who are not going to school, tell them, get back to St. Joseph's School, Sunglu. Because it is also our responsibility to see that our friends who are not going to the school also get the opportunity to study. Future of our society depends upon the good education which we give to our children. Therefore, we don't want to see any of our children in this village or the neighboring villages not attending the school. We want to see every one of them to the school. We want everyone to get back to the school to study their lessons. Is that clear? All of you clear? एकदम खुशी होइकन अपने का निजोर बच्चा कान के अमकान स्कूल ते सेंट जोसेफ स्कूल सुंगलो ते पढ़ाई करना से ईश्वर लोगों ते धन्यवाद दिया से और अपने का लोगों ते थैंक्स दिया से होई अमी याते द स्कूल ते 19th December 2019 साल ते आइसे अमी ताते खड़ा करी के ना बच्चा का लगा रिजल्ट तो दी तक टाइम दे अपने के अंदर यादें बोई ताकि से कुछ बात हो हमें जानिए से 19th December 2020 इधर साल तो एक साल खत्म हो से बच्चा का अमी लेट खोरी के ना यादें आई तक तो अपने के सब देखिए से अमी अपने के लोगों ते रिक्वेस्ट करी बोले तक तो बस्ती ते किमान जन बच्चा का स्कूल ते ना जाए के ना थकिया से मुरम परा बाबा अम्मा कान के रिक्वेस्ट करे लबी अलग दुख होइले भी बच्चा कान के स्कूल ते पठा बोले किले मने अमी के लगा फ्यूचर तो अम्मा कान लगा बच्चा कान आसे ताइकान तो स्कूल ते ना जाइले फादर बेनी तो लॉस को बोले ना होइले भी अमी लगा मन तो दुख हो जाबो लॉस तो अमी के नहीं हो बोले आसे सब बनो का अम्मा कान लगा बच्चा कान छोटो थका टाइम परा ताइकान तो खेती ते जाए ताकि से बोले ताइका लगा फ्यूचर तो किया से नेक्स्ट ईयर ते जी होले भी बच्चा कान के स्कूल ते पढ़ाई लोगे यदि अपने कान तो पैसा ना थके स्कूल ते पढ़ा बोले ना करे गवर्नमेंट स्कूल इज हियर प्राइमरी स्कूल इज हियर मेक श्योर यू सेंड योर चिल्ड्रन अपने कान लगा बच्चा कान के प्राइमरी स्कूल ते होले भी पढ़ाई लोगे इसलिए मैंने बच्चा कान के एजुकेशन तो ना दिले ताइका लगा फ्यूचर तो दिया हो जाबो और फ्यूचर बिया हुआ पाचते इस लगोते कंदी तगिले काम नहीं हमी कंदो बाबा अम्मा कान रिस्पांसिबल तगा मनु कंदो की कुर बोलागे हमी कंदो हमी कन लगा बच्चा कान लगा फ्यूचर तो केने का लोई थकी बोले ऐसे भावना कुर बोलागे मोरम परा हमें रिक्वेस्ट करी ऐसे और अपने कन लगा साथी सदनी कान लोगोते भी कोपो पारे कोई अपने कन लगा बच्चा कान के सो इधर स्कूल ते पढ़ाया से बोले भी दूसरा साथी सदनी कान तो थका तैकन की कोई भी मुरम परा तैकन की स्कूल ते पढ़ा बोले अमकन बच्चा कान एक ता छोटो बच्चा होले भी इधर बस्ती ते तका एक ता बच्चा होले भी इधर अमी कान लगा बच्चा कान आसे इधर मोन के भाभी के ना अरे इधर पाचते लेआउट करी के ना नতুন बिल्डिंग बना बोले अमी कान तो जल्दी अमी परा तक तो अमी परा होशियार करी लोबो बोले भी अपने का लगा ताकत अपने का लगा मदद अपने लगा प्रार्थना सब तो लगे किले मैंने एक स्कूल इस बस्ती ते बाल स्कूल आई से बोले अपनी कहने लाभ बोले ऐसे फादर बेनी फादर दास तो याते आई वो अमीगन 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल पाचते अमीगन तो ट्रांसफर हो जाबो बोले भी अपने के खुदाई थकी बोले ऐसे हमारा लगा बच्चा का खुदाई थकी बोले ऐसे इतने निमित्ते डेवलपमेंट इज ए प्रोग्रेस फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस हमारा सब निमित्ते प्रोग्रेस करने ऐसे इधर मोंटे रखी लो भी और नेक्स्ट ईयर स्कूल लगा एडमिशन और बुक्स सेल विल बी ऑन 24th January 2022 January 24th तारीख ते बुक्स और एडमिशन दो री एडमिशन दो शुरू करी लोबो 24th तारीख तक तो टीचर कान तो छुट्टी तकीबो स्कूल तो अपने कान तो केयर करबो लगे गुरु गौरी बोसी लोई दु याते एक ना गुमा बोले न देबी अपने के ना हा जा करी तक टाइम दे गेट गुली के ना देखी से बोले परंपरा बंद करी लोबी पानी इनी फ्लाई जैसे बोले परंपरा बंद करी लोबी के मैंने अमा का लगा स्कूल आसे कली फादर बेनी लगा स्कूल ना होय ಇದು ಅಮಿ ಅಮಕಲ್ಲಗ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಸೆ ಕೇರ್ ತೋ ಅಮಿಗಂದು ಕುರಿಪೊಳಗೆ ಸೊ ತೋ ಕುರಿಪೊಳಗೆ ಸೊ admissions will begin classes will begin on 31st January तो मंडे आसे मंडे दिन आसे मंडे ते अमगन बच्चा कान के याते अनिबले दिबो मंडे Tuesday, Wednesday. Tin din parile e hafta to amigando training didibo du salte puri taganishana amigando orientation program tagishe on physical education, health care, hygiene, yoga and all culture, all those things. But I can koi tage. They can be all of shikai gina. Balpura amdo puri gina. Jai tagibo de ami to koshish kuri tagibo, koshir kuri tagibo. Apne gana ka madad patai ami request kuri ase mangi ase. Apne gana logote janati ase. So once again, my dear children, my dear parents, thank you so much and God bless you. Spend your vacation meaningfully. Meaningfully means doing some responsible job. Is that clear? I don't want to see young boys and girls going up and down at late night and so on. Don't go around late night. Night, be with the daddy and mummy at home, not roaming around. Okay?
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes, Father.
Now, for 10 months, your daddy and mummy send you to school. Now, 2 months you are on vacation, December and January. So it is your duty to help your mummy and daddy. Go with them to the field, collect the firewood, bring the grains, keep the houses neat and tidy, help whatever way possible. And I am sure that you will do it. No? Correct? No? You will help your mummy and daddy, correct? So wish you all the best and God bless you. And teacher, you will go back to your own respective classes and teachers will give the results to you. And those of you who have not cleared the fees, please clear the fees to the headmaster and collect the result from his office. Okay?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes,
So
Father.
thank you so much and God bless you. Do you like to do the little exercise before you go? Do you want to do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, next change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, next change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, trip, hold, and stop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Trip, hold. Hands on the hips. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clap the hands. Stop. Okay. Nicely hot. Place it again. Thank God for having given you the mouth to speak. Rub again. Place it on the again. Thank God for having given you a beautiful head. Hands down. Are you happy? Happy?
Yes, Father.
All of you?
Yes, Father.
Be happy, okay? No reason to be sad. With attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Let us sing the school anthem loud and clear. Loud and clear. Stand it is. Attention. Go to your own respective classes. Go to your own respective classes. Teachers will come and give you the result.
Go to your class.